This is our original Reno redo. First impressions last. And when you first arrive at our original Reno, you arrive into the entry and living space. And there's an impression. It's not a good one though.
I have always loved wallpaper, but 12 years ago I did not have the eye or the budget to pick a good one. Our original floors had years of damage and the fireplace was very dated.
Still works though.
And how about that art piece?
So when it was time for our original Reno redo, it was all about showing this house what we have learned over the past 12 years.
Opening up the kitchen to the living space has drastically changed the look and feel of the space.
All of the surfaces in our lounge required a lot of work. Interior decorators removed all the old wallpaper, sealed and skimmed the walls, relined the ceiling, and we put resin elderflower on the walls, which is described as a fizzy warm white. We complemented the walls with a resin quarter alabaster for the trims and ceiling.
The fireplace was working fine, so we decided on a simple and affordable glow up. We painted the tiles and surround quarter alabaster, and the fireplace was instantly improved and matched the rest of the interior.
We had the original floor sanded back and varnished with a matte finish.
I had custom-made curtains made from curtain. We ordered made-to-measure curtain tracks by Rods and Blinds.
We wanted open shelving for the little nook beside the fireplace, without spending too much money. So after playing with options, I ended up using 2 internal doors which I'd actually kept from an older renovation. Cut them down to size and fix them to the wall. After filling in all the holes and the gaps, we painted them resin elderflower white, the same as the walls, for a seamless look.
We finished it all off by adding the universal gateway home light by Brilliant Lighting. This device connects all of our exterior and interior lighting, our video doorbell, our security camera, and house alarm, making our house safe, secure, and smart.
As always, we love to share all the details of our renovation, including this living room reveal. So check out our blog. The details of all the cost breakdowns, suppliers, and information are all in there.